Batangas girls.
Kumintang ibaba po.
So, is this your first time to join national pageant?
Yes, this is my first time joining a national pageant.
Pero you join naman pageants na rin sa Batangas?
Yes, and I recently won the Binibining Lungsod ng Batangas 2024.
Binibining Lungsod winner. Oo, nag-cover kami ng Pageantology 101.
Yes, and I saw my photos in and I'm so thankful for that.
So, how's the experience so far?
Very fulfilling. First, kasi it's always been my dream to become part of the Binibining Pilipinas Sisterhood. So, talagang
And 60th
matitreasure.
pa ha?
Yes!
Ang balita ko nga, kapasabi lang sa akin ni Sir Ernest, pasabog ang inyong production number.
Yes! Kaya everyone, watch out!
Ano bang aabangan namin kay Miss Batangas City?
Of course, dadalhin ko yung heritage, the culture, the people from Batangas City. And I hope mabigyan ko ng pride ang aking lungsod sa darating na coronation.
Invite mo naman yung followers namin and of course your followers to support your journey here in Binibining Pilipinas.
Sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta sa akin, lalo na ang aking fellow Batanggenyos, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta na ibinibigay ninyo, and patuloy po sana nating suportahan ang bawat isa, hindi lamang ako, and bring each other up.
Thank you, Be!